I have a 24 by 10 inch board that I'm going to paint with Wise Owl, Smoky Quartz, using my Klingon brush. All paint and brushes can be found at chalkitupfancy.com. I gave it a good sanding, and I found these letters at Hobby Lobby. They're kind of that press board type material, and I'm staining it using General Finishes Antique Walnut. I'm applying it with a Gen foam brush. Once completely dry, I found this embellishment at Hobby Lobby. I grabbed it at 40% off. I think I paid about $5 for it. And I'm now going to glue my letters and my embellishment to my board using Elmer's wood glue. An old cabinet door would work great for this project if you don't have a board. Really quite simple. It says home. And here we are putting on some white small hooks that I found at the hardware store. We pre-drilled. And then finish it off with our DeWalt screw gun. Guys, super easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more tutorials, you can go to YouTube. And again, paint products and brushes, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.